Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that might surprise you. Can you actually invest with just a single dollar? For many of us, investing conjures up images of Wall Street suits wheeling and dealing with millions. It can feel like a world reserved for the rich and the elite, completely out of reach for the average person. But what if I told you that's not quite true? The truth is, the barrier to entry for investing has never been lower. Thanks to a financial revolution called fractional shares, even a single dollar can open the door to the exciting world of investing. But before we jump in headfirst, let's take a step back. Why invest at all? Think about it this way: leaving your money sitting in a savings account is kind of like letting it slowly lose value. Inflation is the silent thief, constantly chipping away at your purchasing power. With interest rates typically below inflation, your money just isn't growing on its own. Investing, on the other hand, is about putting your money to work. It's about harnessing the power of the market to grow your wealth over time. Now, that growth doesn't come without risk. There will be ups and downs, but with a long-term perspective, investing can be a powerful tool for building a secure financial future. Okay, so we've established why investing is important, but how does that single dollar come into play? Here's where fractional shares become game changers. Traditionally, stocks were bought and sold in whole units. If a company's share price was, say, $100, you either had $100 or you couldn't buy that stock. Fractional shares break down that barrier. They allow you to purchase a tiny portion of a share, essentially owning a slice of the company for a fraction of the full price. Some platforms even allow you to invest as little as $1. Here's the beauty of this: with fractional shares, you can diversify your portfolio right from the start. You're not limited to just one or two companies because you can't afford a full share. You can spread your tiny investments across a variety of businesses, minimizing risk and maximizing your potential for growth. Let's imagine you have that spare dollar. You could spend it on a candy bar, or you could invest it in a fraction of a company like Apple or Google. Sure, the return on that single dollar won't be life-changing overnight. But here's the key: it's a start. Think of it like planting a seed. That small investment is the seed you're putting into the ground. Over time, with consistent watering, meaning adding more money as you can, and some sunshine, the magic of the market, that seed can grow into a mighty tree, your very own wealth-generating machine. Now, is starting with $1 the ideal scenario? Probably not. The smaller your investment, the smaller your potential returns. But the point is, it removes the excuse of not having enough money to get started. Here's the real kicker: the earlier you start investing, even with small amounts, the more time your money has to grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Imagine you invest $10 a month, consistently, for 30 years. With an average annual return of 7%, a historical average for the stock market, that $10 a month could turn into a whopping sum. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's the magic of starting early and letting time do its work. Even small, consistent investments can lead to big things down the road. So, can you really invest with just $1? Absolutely. It might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a powerful first step towards building a secure and prosperous financial future. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and in the world of investing, that step can be as small as a single dollar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.